So hey guys, this is Franklin. So in this video, I'm gonna talk about selections and selection filters. So you can find the selection tools under this select panel. Here we have so much of functions which we can use to select objects. Let's see about that. Let me create some geometries first. Let's create a box and sphere. Let's go to the shaded view and some lines and add some points over here and also a surface. So I have all the types of geometries here. So okay, let's see about that. So here we have select all. When you press this select all, it will select all the geometries or objects which is in the file. And then you have select none. If you click this, this will deselect everything. Actually, the selection tool is basically we can select object with various methods and types. When you move the mouse to the function, it will show what could be done with this. This is selection filter. I will talk about selection filter in a little bit later. And next we have this invert selection. Invert selection will, let me select this. If I want to select everything except this, then you can use this invert selection. This will select everything except the selected one. Okay, then we have this named selection panels. Actually, most of the selection tools we will not use mostly. So I'm not gonna explain all these things. I will explain the important one. The most important functions from this selection toolbar is this one, previous selection. Okay, this will helps to select the previous selected. So for example, if I'm selecting this one and now I'm not selected anything, so if I wanted to select the previous selected, which is this one, just click on here. This will select the previous selection. And the another one is this one. This will select the last created objects. Okay, if I'm going to create something, let's create a box again. If I wanted to select this one, which is the last created, we can use this select last created object. When you're working on a complex 3D model, this will make your life much easier. So then we have this point. Okay, if you select this will select all the points. Same as this, we have this curve. If you select this will select the curve. Actually, everything is similar. When you move the mouse, you will see what the function will do. Okay, so according to that, you can do that everything. Like this will select the hatches, this will select the lights, this will select the clipping planes, this will select the surface, this will select the meshes, etc. So the most important selection functions is this one, the select previous selection and select last created objects, and this select points and the select curves. We will use this frequently when we do the 3D model. Now let's see about this selection filter. Here we have the selection filter. When you click this, it will show something. You can either show or toggle, whatever it is. Just once again, selection filter. If you click the show, it will appear in the side panel. What this will do is this will filter the selections. For example, if I don't want to select this point, you can just uncheck this. Now you cannot select this point. Same as this, all the other stuffs also work. If you deselect this curves, you cannot select the curves. If you deselect this surface, you cannot select this surface. And also you can, if you want to select only the curves or only the points, just deselect everything and only choose the curves. Now you can select only the curves. This also will helps to make your workflow much easier. If you select this disable, the selection filter will be disabled, so that we can select anything we want. And here another one stuff, which is the sub object selection. When you check on this, you can select the sub object. Actually this is a polygon. Let me deselect this. If you select, this is a poly surface, okay. So if you want to select the subsurface, you can use shift plus control and select. But easier way, just click on this sub object selection and click. You can select the sub object. You can select anything like edge, point, whatever. This will be more useful by using this way. So basically that's it about selections and selection filters. So thanks for watching guys. I will see you on the next video.